How to screen record with internal audio. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can screen record, and it's really easy. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So for iPhone users, you actually have an inbuilt screen recorder, which I'm currently using as well. It is on your control panel. You can simply swipe down from the top right side, and there you should see this button right here. Tap on this button to start recording your screen. You will get a 3 seconds head start. So yeah, just wait for 3 seconds and it should start recording. Now if you want to record your voice as well, like I'm doing here, long press on the screen record option, and there you should see the microphone button. Tap on microphone to just turn on your microphone, after which you will be able to record your sound as well. And it's that simple. So yeah, later on after you're done, you can tap on the top left corner on the red icon where it will stop recording, and yeah, it will get saved to your gallery. And that is basically how you do it. Now if you do not have this icon right here, you will need to just pull on your control panel, tap on the top left corner on the plus icon. So let me do that here. So let me tap on this plus icon. I'm missing it for some reason. Okay, there we go. And there you should find the add a control button on the bottom. Tap on add a control, and after you do that, right here you'll find the screen recording option. Tap on it to add it to your control panel. Now I already have this, so I'll just remove this. And yeah, that is basically how you do it. Thanks for watching guys. That is how you screen record. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.